Dr. Kehlelezi shares a prophecy about Jacob Zuma falling sick. I don't know if you guys have seen this on the episode that he had with DJ Sbu on the Hustlers Corner. Dr. Kehlelezi, one of the popular figures within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, right? One of those popular dodgy characters within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, those characters that have surrounded Jacob Zuma and his leadership of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, has made a prophecy, or rather has shared a prophecy about Jacob Zuma getting sick. Okay, so we're going to be talking about that. What do you guys make of that prophecy by Kehlelezi, where he claims that Jacob Zuma will fall sick if certain things are not done, right? Of course, falling sick even to an extent of him losing his life. And you see now we talk about Kehlelezi. Kehlelezi is a very strange character, because you remember, I'm one of the people who even said that the so-called intelligence report that we're told about, that was used to oust Floyd Shibambu from the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's SG position. Remember, we're told that Duduzile's head went missing, then they accused Floyd Shibambu of witchcraft and all of that. It is not difficult to tell that actually who's the person behind that report. It has to be Kehlelezi, right? It has to be Kehlelezi, a very dodgy character. Okay, so he's spoken about this prophecy. I don't know, guys, what you guys make of that prophecy. Go to the comment section and tell me what you guys make of this prophecy. Greetings, guys. Welcome to the platform. My name is Tebos Kosana. So, who's Kehlelezi? So, Dr. Kehlelezi, whose real name is Bongolethu Mzozo, is a highly visible and controversial traditional healer and a Zion Archbishop from KwaZulu-Natal, a media personality. He is a well-known media personality who has built a significant following through his social media presence and interviews on platforms like DJ Sbu's and McGee's podcast and his own YouTube channel. He has successfully branded himself as a modern traditional healer who is also a successful businessman. Political commentary. Dr. Kehlelezi often uses his platform to comment on political matters, offering his prophetic insights on various leaders and events. He has previously commented on leaders like Cyril Ramaphosa and has even appeared on stage with Jacob Zuma at an Umkhonto weSizwe Party's event. Right. So let's get to the claim that he made, right? Or the prophecy that he spoke about. So the direct statement, a prophetic warning. So the core of the issue is a specific quote from Dr. Kehlelezi during his interview on the Hustlers Corner podcast with DJ Sbu. What he said. During the interview, Dr. Kehlelezi stated that he had a spiritual vision in which he saw former President Jacob Zuma becoming seriously ill. The warning was not just about a general sickness, but a life-threatening condition that, if not addressed thorough, or if not addressed through spiritual means, could be fatal. The how. He went on to explain that this illness will be a result of a spiritual battle. He suggests that Zuma's political opponents were using dark spiritual forces to attack him. The prophecy was framed not as a prediction of an inevitable event, but a warning that could be averted through specific spiritual interventions. The context. What is the context? A public figure and a political ally This statement is particularly significant because of who said it and the platform on which it was said: a spiritual figure and political figure. Dr. Khethelezi is not just a traditional healer. He is a prominent public figure who has publicly aligned himself with Jacob Zuma and the MK party. He has been seen on stage with Zuma at various events, solidifying his status as a trusted spiritual advisor and political ally. You see, which then talks to what I said about that so-called intelligence report, which spoke about witchcraft. That so-called intelligence report that accused Floyd Shivambu of witchcraft. Now we can see by the actual who's the man behind that report. The podcast as a platform, the Hustlers Corner podcast, hosted by popular DJ Sbu, is a widely popular platform with a large audience, particularly among young South Africans. By making this statement on such a high-profile show, Dr. Khethelezi ensured that his prophets will be heard by millions, making it a powerful piece of political and spiritual communication. The political and social implications. The prophecy has had a ripple effect, causing controversy and raising crucial questions about the intersection of politics, health, and spiritual beliefs in South Africa. A public health issue. Jacob Zuma's health is a matter of public record, and he has been hospitalized on multiple occasions for serious medical conditions. Dr. Khethelez's statement, while spiritual in nature, adds to the public discourse around Zuma's well-being and his fitness to lead. A spiritual battle. The prophecy has created a narrative of a spiritual battle for Zuma's life. This narrative can be a powerful tool for political mobilization, as it casts Zuma's political opponents not just as rivals but as enemies who are using dark forces to attack him. This can rally his supporters and create a sense of agency and loyalty. The role of traditional healers. The incident highlights the significant role that traditional healers and spiritual leaders play in South African society. Their pronouncements are often taken as seriously, if not more so, than those of politicians and doctors. The fact that a traditional healer's warning about the former president's health can become a major news story is a testament to their influence. The controversy. The statement has also drawn criticism. Some have accused Dr. Khethelezi of fear-mongering and using a respected spiritual practice for political gain. Others have questioned the ethics of making such a public pronouncement about a person's health, regardless of whether it is framed as a prophecy. So in conclusion, as we conclude, a specific claim. The statement was not a vacuum prophecy, but a clear claim of a spiritual battle for Zuma's life. A political and spiritual event. The prophecy is a powerful example of the intersection of politics and spiritual beliefs in South Africa. It serves as a tool for political communication, a source of controversy and a reflection of the deep influence that traditional healers have in society. The consequences. The statement adds another layer of complexity to the public narrative surrounding Jacob Zuma. It casts him as a figure who is not only fighting political battles, but also spiritual ones. A narrative that is both powerful to his supporters and deeply controversial to his detractors. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please guys remember to join. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Let's grow the platform together, guys. Thank you very much.